Welcome to the first and only SaaS News Digest featured on LinkedIn, covering news, events, and updates that are happening in SaaS community worldwide. Our first digest today checks in on Zscaler, the leading provider of inline SaaS cloud security solutions. According to Zscaler, they process more than 140 billion transactions daily while preventing 7 billion security incidents and policy violations. Shares are currently sitting at $198.70 with $612 million in sales expected for fiscal year for 2021. And that would mean an impressive revenue growth of 42%. The demand for their offering has been strong, and they've been served over 450 of the global 2000 market. And this leaves them plenty of runway as well as the strong billings to show the long-term commitment of their existing customers. All in all, Zscaler is demonstrating impressive metrics and a clear drive for sustainable growth. But some experts feel their valuation is a bit lofty in the short term, and investors should remain cautious. Now, next digest takes a look at the new report from Forrester regarding artificial intelligence market. Other analysts have projected the growing AI market to reach anywhere from 150 to 390 billion by 2025. But Forrester has a much more conservative market estimate. According to Forrester, the global AI software market will grow to only 37 billion by 2025. Why such is an extreme difference in predictions? And the reason is that AI is being absorbed into the existing software products. It has become a standard feature rather than growing into its own category. And Forrester organizes AI software in two broad groups. The first includes AI-infused tools and apps. And the second category includes AI platforms. When it comes to the first category of tools and apps, we will continue to see fast growth for short term. Those tools and apps use AI to improve metrics for specific tasks or verticals. But the second category of AI platforms will have an advantage in the long run. Those platforms include software that companies use to build their own AI applications. And Forrester analysts see that the most market potential in this AI maker or facilitator platforms. So, how's this going to play out? Well, according to Forrester, AI facilitator platforms will reach 8 billion by 2025. Maker platforms will reach $13 billion, and combined these platforms then accounts for $21 billion in market sales. The apps category will have most growth over next 3 to 4 years, reaching 16 billion by 2025. But at that point, Forrester analyst predicts that the apps will start to lose the stream. And once this happens, the platform category will take the edge and remain the stronger long-term category. And our final digest today covers a case study of a content for the early stage SaaS startups. So what types of content should startups create and generate more organic traffic? And what content can help turn visitors into trial users or paying customers? In this particular case study, the top of the funnel content types received the most impressions. This content includes how-to guides and strategy on through leadership topics. But while this content has received tons of impressions, the click-through rate and conversion rates were very low. Bottom of the funnel articles turn out to have much better click-through rates. And the middle of the funnel content has the best conversion rates. Middle and bottom of the funnel content includes installation steps, product comparisons, industry pain points, product tours, use cases, and how-to content. Out of all those middle and bottom up funnel content types, comparisons and pricing articles led to the best conversion rates. In comparisons, informational content types perform poorly. For this particular startup, information content resulted in almost 0% conversion rate. Obviously, these results will be based on each individual SaaS offerings. And whatever you are B2B or B2C or type of product you offer will all influence content results. But this case study is an interesting outline of how to analyze and optimize content when it comes to click-through rate and conversion rates. I hope you enjoyed SaaS News Digest. SaaS News Digest belongs to all of us and provides the value to members of our community because of you. So please click on like or insightful button and share SaaS Digest on your LinkedIn page. Let's work together in developing this community and setting new SaaS global standards. My name is Artem Gassan. I'm the general partner at SaaS Growth Ventures, and my superpower is I solve growth and revenue problems for SaaS companies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.